Students, now we are going to describe the very little phylum of animal kingdom, Hemichordata. It is phylum number 10 and it was earlier believed in phylum Chordata. So, there is a word chorda. There is the word chorda. Earlier, the Hemichordata was placed in the chordata and there is no need to separate out of this phylum. But nowadays, it was found that most of the chordates character are absent in this phylum, so there is need to make them separate. So we have 11 phylum. Earlier we have 10 phylum in animal kingdom, and after making this, because of the body is poorly developed, so it first earlier before chordata, and it is actually the our ancestor, so we cannot ignore them. So let me begin the topic Hemichordata. Actually, the word hemi means, as I have told you many times, if you have the silent features, you have a question regarding silent features of any phylum, then you should try to explain the word meaning later. If there is a hard to explain, then there should be beginning of the common features as like the common animal. So hemi means half. Hemi means half, and chordate, that is chordata. There is the chorda word, chordata. Chordata, a group of phylum in which the rod-like notochord found at early stage of embryonic development. It means your body consists backbone, and that backbone are also called as vertebral column. Vertebral column earlier form a very special structure that are actually known as notochord, and notochord is actually the characteristic features of chordata. Not only the notochord is the characteristic features of chordata, there is a gills, and that gills is known as pharyngeal gills. Pharyngeal gills, and that pharyngeal gills is the second important characteristics of phylum chordata. Keep in mind, first characteristics of phylum chordata, the presence of rod like notochord, and second characteristics, there is the presence of gills. तो दोबारा मत कहना कि गिल्स आपके बॉडी में कहाँ है. गिल्स आपके बॉडी में कब होता है? जब आपके बॉडी में नोटोकॉर्ड. और कब होता है? एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट के टाइम में गिल्स और नोटोकॉर्ड. मछलियों में नहीं होता है, मैंने अभी बताया इससे पहले. ऑर्थ्रोपोड्स में भी गिल्स बताया था, मोलस्का में भी गिल्स बताया था, और यहाँ पे आपको क्लियर हो गया हेमिचॉर्डेटा में भी गिल्स होते हैं. हेमिचॉर्डेटा में और चॉर्डेटा दोनों में गिल्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये notochord and pharyngeal gills are the characteristics of chordata, not the characteristics of hemichordata. Keep in mind, but hemichordata do not possess the notochord. Notochord is absent and the gills is present, the pharyngeal gills is present. It means 50% of chordate characters are found in hemichordate. So hemichordates, as the name half chordate, it means the half of the characteristic features like gills are found in hemichordate. So the name of hemichordates are as the hemichordate, means half of the chordate. I think you have your concept regarding word meaning of hemichordate is clear. Now back to other features of hemichordate. The other features, all marine animal, means they all are aquatic but all are marine. Second features, they all are triploblastic in nature, means ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderms are found. They are bilateral. Larva and adult both are bilateral. Fourth one is organ level of body organization. You should make the notes regarding the horizontal view. Keep in mind, not a vertical, that is you should make the vertical view. Keep in mind. Now back to the organ level of body organization, bilateral body organization and triploblastic marine. It is, I think, over. Now next features is the organ हो गया. Respiration through gills, as I have told you, gills are found. Respiration through gills, it is the important features of hemichordata. Now next, The blood vascular system is open type. Blood vascular system is open type of blood vascular system. And excretion through proboscis gland. You should remember the excretory system and excretion from the platyhelminthes to chordata, and I have aware you many times that you should learn it properly. You must have learned it properly. Now the reproduction, sexes are separate, it means they all are unisexual. Fertilization is external type, it means male and female release the gametes outside from the body, and they form the gametes, they form the zygotes, and later zygotes develop into embryo. So development is external also. Development and fertilization both is external, and there is the larval stage found, so development is indirect type because of having the larval stage. You should write it in your own language. Now back to the structure and explanation. Actually the example of hemichordates is balanoglossus. Second one is saccoglossus. And third one is cephalodiscus. These three are the example of hemichordates. Now back to draw the structure of balanoglossus. If we draw the structure of balanoglossus, then we are able to get the physical morphology of all kinds of hemichordates. Actually the hemichordates has the worm-like body. Internally they all are cylindrical body. सो वर्म लाइक बॉडी मीन्स कीड़े जैसा होता है. ठीक है, अब मैं एक बैलेनोग्लासस का डायग्राम बनाऊं ताकि आपको क्लियर हो जाए इसका आइडिया. लिसन, द डायग्राम इज वेरी इजी. आई थिंक यू कैन ड्रॉ इट वेरी इजीली एज आई हैव ड्रॉ. This is the common diagram of Balanoglossus, and most of the organisms belong to this phylum is actually having the similar kinds of diagram but little bit difference. So let we label the diagram. This is the anterior region, and this one is the posterior region. This is called as proboscis that help in the excretion and also feeding. Collar, some of the tadpole structures. This is called as trunk, and this represent the gills. This is the very important, that is called a hepatic ceca. That help to the break down the food, and that is help in the other metabolic activity like the formation of excretory products and their metabolism. And this one is the tail that help in the movement. So these are the common structure of Balanoglossus, and it is common in all kinds of echinodermids. So structure of Balanoglossus as well as structure of a common common hemichordates is over. So we have completed about 10 phylums till the date, but tomorrow onward I will describe you the very important and complex body structures, group of complex body structure, that will be the phylum Chordata, in which you and other locally available organisms are actually exist. So the phylum Hemichordata is over.